Ready to cut it up, Jesus?
Nope.
Ready to regret your life?
Like you?
Yep.
No. I'm not gonna mold it.
You don't have to mold it.
Exactly. Well, everything about what?
Well, so what are we doing to your car, Jesus?
Wide body.
Oh, snap.
I'm following your footsteps.
Hey, what kind of wide body you putting on here, bro?
It's a rep.
Uh-huh.
Liberty Walk.
Okay. I see you, big baller.
I got it for the low. You can take the tires.
I know y'all remember this car. We did the intakes on it. Damn, bro, you gonna break that shit.
Jeez, motherfucker. Who did this?
No.
Me. What's his name? Leo.
Oh, yeah, he used a air impact, though.
Yeah.
Damn, that boy cross-threaded, bro. You better send it.
Either that or break him free with something.
You better send it, bro. They're moving. They're just moving slow.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not good.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
That's really not good. I don't want to touch this. That's worse than moving. I don't want worse than not moving at all.
Come on, bro. Be committed.
No, bro. I'm scared. I should have asked Adrian for the big one.
That one's the same thing.
You should break them with the fucking, with something first before you impact them off if they're cross-threading.
So they got one of the side skirts on. Trying to play with the fitment a little bit. I mean, it's pretty good fitment for being fiberglass, though. Oh, yeah. So what you doing there, Silas?
Taping everything up so we don't crash this car.
Okay. So we're running through a little fitment issue, which we knew wasn't gonna fit perfectly, but Silas is about to cut it up a little bit, see if we can get it to sit tighter to the body.
Standing disc to pull that in.
So you guys can see the
that.
fitment's a lot better there now.
That's done
That's
good as fuck.
100% better.
Yeah.
I told you
What,
I
are
know
you
what
in
the
the
fuck
door?
I'm doing. What?
It might hit a little bit.
No. We're
Right,
good.
yeah.
We good.
Yeah.
There we go. Side skirt's feeling a lot better.
Yeah, that's what. Then it has the hole right here too.
Yeah, so let's pull this off.
So we got the front fender mounted on. Side skirt.
This one's yours.
Not too bad. I like it. Got one side mounted up.
It looks good. Jesus, it looks
All you really gotta do is like cut it under, right?
You ready, Jesus?
Oh,
Time to cut, the fun part.
I reserve rights to publish any of that content myself.
Your beautiful face is in the video, bro.
you gotta say hello.
I want to put it on my TikTok, man. I need more content. My fans are waiting, bro.
Are they?
Yeah.
Here comes the fun part.
Hold on. Go.
Taylor. Taylor. Taylor.
on this fucking wheel. It hasn't even
That's what-
been drove.
That's what I was looking at. I was like, damn, they're already coming off.
I haven't even drove it.